snow is across much of New York State today. Map of the United States. You see just how massive Winter Storm Landon is. Regions from New York City and New England are getting hit with heavy rain, while western, central New York, Ohio, Indiana and Illinois are getting slammed by snow and even sleet and ice. It extends all the way into Texas. That's how huge this storm system is. So far, just a few inches has fallen for those in western New York and central New York, but those snowfall rates will increase as we get into the late afternoon and evening. The National Weather Service says that the heavier snow will arrive this afternoon and during the evening, which will make the drive home much more difficult. WGRZ here in Buffalo also says that while we haven't seen crazy snowfall totals as of yet, that snow will increase as we head into the evening, and regions in western and central New York can expect additional snowfall rates of 6 to 8 inches will fall in Buffalo, with slightly higher totals in the southern tier. Central New York and regions closer to Elmira and the Finger Lakes could see an additional 10 to 12 inches, on top of what has already fallen. The morning commute was pretty slippery, but it was that heavier and thicker snow. The snow that will now fall will be fluffier in nature, but also easier to build up. The snowstorm is expected to last through Friday morning, so the morning commute on Friday will be impacted as well, unfortunately. When the snow doesn't let up, it makes you wonder if a plow has shown up, at least once. They most likely have, but nonetheless, these are the worst 26 streets to live on during a snowstorm in western New York. Some parts of the Chicago area saw more than 6 inches of snow Tuesday, and lake-effect snow was expected to continue into Wednesday, said Ricky Castro, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service. Forecasters had warned that most of the 5 to 8 inches expected in the Chicago area from a storm system that blanketed much of the Midwest would fall before 3 a.m. Tuesday, but many areas only saw a few inches. The total snowfall varied by north and south locations across the metro area, Castro said.